at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama ho natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Exciting afternoon. Kahit maulan, mag-iingat po kayo. But we have one of the finest actresses in the country, Naitay Kapuso. Please welcome the one and the only, the beautiful Aiko Melendez.
Hello!
How are you?
Good, good, good. It's good to be here, finally.
I know, happy. First time.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. Finding time. Sabi ko maulan, mag-iingat po kayo. Okay. Off-cam, we were starting to talk. But
Yes.
ito ang una kong gustong itanong. Because you've been in the industry for how long, Ike?
35 years.
You started how old?
6 years old.
Di ba? Oo, 35 years in the business. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng buhay ng isang artista compared sa hindi mga artista? I don't want to say ordinary, no? Sa hindi mga artista. What makes actors different?
Actors are different because our lives are exposed. The minute that you come out on TV, you make yourself public and you're accessible to everyone already. Unlike when you're just someone from an ordinary life, hindi ka nila papakialamanan.
Nabago ng konti dahil social media now is very, di ba?
Yes,
When you
sobra.
put out on social media, para bagang lahat na naging artista, lahat na naging broadcasters, lahat na naging reporters. Pero palagay ko naman, I managed Aiko for a while.
Yes.
I mean, parang pamilya to, inaanak ko,
10
kapitbahay,
years.
lahat na.
Yes.
Diba? Kapitbahay, inaanak. I was reading the materials, I didn't realize Andre's 20.
7.
Diyos
Turning
mio.
27.
Martina is 18.
18. Inaanak mo also.
Oh my God. But anyway, going back to the actors, palagay ko, sabi nga ni Meryl Streep, may mga panahon na jobless ang mga artista.
Yes.
Di ba? And then you get involved, lalo na ikaw, you get involved, halimbawa, in your character. Pagkatapos mo ng character na yun, pag iniwanan mo, pagbalik mo sa mundo, parang, nasaan ba ako? Di ba?
May panic button din, Tito Nino.
Meron, no?
Yes, lalo na ako, when I started to play mga kontrabida roles, it's so hard to snap out of it, lalo na when you're doing it 3 times a week of your life. And for like, when I was doing Prima Donnas here in Channel 7, that's for like 2 books. So almost 2.5 years, every day, almost talagang masama yung role mo. And when you come back to reality, you're not like that. It's so hard.
Totoo. And paglabas mo ng karakter, pag uwi mo ng bahay, lalo na sa mga artista na nahihirapan lumabas doon, it can be a crazy world, di ba?
Yes.
At napakahirap. Kaya parati kong sinasabi na ang trabaho ng isang artista ay hindi po madali.
Yes. Whoever says that it's easy, it's they're lying.
No? At saka they're not familiar with the job. Meron pang isang kasabihan. Sabi nila, dito sa industriyang ito, mahirap makahanap ng mga tunay na kaibigan. Your take on this?
Mahirap kung hindi mo bubuksan yung mata mo to possibilities na meron naman kahit papaano. Kaya lang, hindi mo rin maaalis sa pagka meron kang tunay na kaibigan na dadaan din kayo sa mga bumps sa buhay.
Sa mga pagsubok.
Oo. Wala namang tao na hindi dumadaan sa challenges, Tito Ninong, di ba? Kahit ordinaryong tao dumadaan doon. So, kahit artista ka pa, showbiz yan, politika, or ordinaryong buhay, lahat yan dumadaan tayo. Kasi realidad yan.
Ang sinasabi ko naman parate, may mga artista na hindi kasing close natin o hindi tayo masyado close. Pero, pag may mga kaganapan, sa labas ho ng the celebrity business, nagtutulungan.
Yes.
Oo, totoo yun.
Totoo, oo.
I have people calling us, for example, saying, what can we do for you? Now, pinag-uusapan, mainit, yung inyong pagbabate, reconciliation with your friend, with our friend, Candy Pangilinan. I'd like to say hi to your other friends, Mina,
Yes.
Jelly, Janice, di ba? Only what you can. What happened? Where are you now? Kasi para sa akin ang dating nun, it's a story about friendship, about reconciliation, about love. Di ba? What can you tell us about your reconciliation with Candy?
Actually, Tito Ninong, matagal na kaming okay.
Oh.
1 year. We just opted to keep it quiet lang, yung wala lang. Tapos we both realize na parang, hey, it's about time na pakita na natin sa tao na okay tayo para wala nang animosity pag nakikita kami sa labas na, oy, hindi kayo okay. Kasi there was a time, there's this event na meron na si Jelly for her business. It happened in San Juan. We were both there. And then, hindi pa kami kikita. First time namin ni Candy magkita doon. And then, we were expecting na parang drama, yung iyakan. But when I saw her, I just said, hi. Parang walang nangyari, Tito Ninong. Hindi pinag-usapan kung anong ugat. But it was painful, ha? Kasi pag mahal mo ang tao, Tito Ninong, at hindi kayo naging okay eventually along the way, masakit yon para sa inyong pareho. Lalo na, 4 kami, di ba? We call our group the Power 4. Tapos yung parang na-left out ako when they did the movie Road Trip, di ba? Supposedly and originally, I was part of that movie. Pero watching it from sabi ko, ay, parang ako yung naiwan. And then, people were tagging me. Siyempre, Tito Ninong, ang social media now, very, di ba? Anybody can just tag you na they're parang, nagka-create sila kung ano ba yung pinag-awayan namin. So, para just to, put an end to it, nagsalita na kami na okay na kami.
Oo, without having to explain.
Yes.
Without having to explain. At naiintindihan ko yun. Ang importante ay, kaya sabi ko, it's about love, it's about reconciliation, and it's about forgiveness. Kaya pag sinasabing, what was it about? It's not necessary. You know why? Because you bring yourselves back to that place of pain.
Yes.
Bakit pa? Di ba? Ang maganda ay naayos.
Yes, Tito Ninong, sobra.
Napakaayos. Sinong pinakamaganda sa inyong 4?
Ikaw.
Because that friendship is solid.
Yes.
Kaya doon sa mga nagsasabing napakahirap makahanap ng mga kaibigan sa showbiz, oo at hindi. Katulad ng ibang industriya. Pero marami kang pagkakatiwalaang kaibigan dito sa ating mundo.
Oh, yeah. Oo,
Di ba?
Oo, Tito Ninong.
Marami kang matatakbuhan.
Sobra, oo. Ako like you, Tito Ninong, even if we don't see each other, pero pagka meron akong trouble, hello, Tito Ninong, di ba?
Alam mo, andito ako.
Oo.
At alam ko rin na nariyan ka.
Yes.
Pag may itatanong, itatanong. Ikaw din, parang ganon. Kasi we're separated by space, but not by spirit.
Yes, exactly.
Di ba? Kaya napaka-importante pinag-uusapan. Pagdating from friendship, let's talk about love. Nung pumasok ka dito sa iyong relasyon kay Congressman, hi, is he watching?
I am not sure.
Tingnan mo.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Ano ang baon mong mga leksyon na iyong natutunan sa iyong mga past relationships? Because proud ako sa iyo, Aiko, you're able to sustain this relationship and bravo, you've been together for 8 years, going to eternity. I mean, ang ganda, nakakatuwa at nakaka-proud.
Alam mo, Tito Ninong, dati, I always plan my life ahead. And I always say na from this relationship, hindi ko na gagawin to, hindi ko na gagawin. But when you're there, you can't plan things eh. It just happens because you pray to God na ito, iiwasan natin to. Ayoko kasi in-compare yung relationship ko with Jay to my past relationships. Kasi magkakaiba naman sila at magkakaiba rin ang sitwasyon namin at yung pagkakataon. So ako, I'd rather say, Tito Ninong, na it's still a work in progress. They say na, 8 years, ganyan niya. Pero, we still go through challenges. We are not perfect. May mga oras na gusto ko nang sumuko. Pero dahil gusto naming wag sukuan ng isa't isa, we choose to stay.
Sa mga pagkakataon na gusto mo nang sumuko, dahil lahat natin pinagdadaanan yan sa mga relasyon, where do you go? Saan ka pumupunta para makabalik?
Siguro, Tito Ninong, yung support system ko is my mom stays with me. And my kids are very close to me. So every time I go through rough patches in my life, I pray. And then I go to them. And kasi minsan, Tito Ninong, ang hirap din yung sasabihin mo yung, kunyari, may isa kang kaibigan na sasabihin mo lahat doon yung away nyo. And then maging okay na naman kayo, they'd see that person differently. So now, I have learned to choose yung mga sasabihin ko. Minsan pagka yung bisit na ako kay Jay, yung pipigilan ko yung sarili ko na, is there a need for me to say this? Or should I just keep quiet for the meantime? Ganon.
And you choose to be most of the time quiet.
Quiet.
Oo. And just handle the problems na kayo lamang dalawa.
Yes, Tito
Pareho ka na sa mundo ng showbiz at ng politika. At saka, tayo lahat, we gravitate towards controversy. May mga nagsasabi na pangkinder yung kontrobersiya ng showbiz as compared to the controversies of politics. Ano ang iyong iniisip?
Same lang ang gravity
Same
ni
lang.
Tito Ninong. Kasi ang handling lang sa politics Tito Ninong is mas they attack you personally. In show business na din naman, now that social media is all around, di ba? They can always attack you personally also. Kaya lang dito kasi may boto involved. Na kapag na yung reputation mo is na-tarnish, ang sacrifice niyan is the next time around na na tatakbo ka, medyo may hirapan ka sa karera mo.
At may public accountability.
Yes.
Oo, yun ang pagkakaiba.
That's why,
Para sa iyo, saying, go ahead.
That's why, for me, Tito Ninong, you have to be careful with your actions. Lalo na ngayon, think before you click, di ba? And before you do anything now, you have to think. Kasi, ang tao ngayon is mas judgmental sila.
Okay. I was talking to our team. Sabi ko, hindi niyo ba alam that Aiko actually coaches? You teach acting. Okay? Sa aming pagbabalik, dito kasi, sumusubo kami sa pag-arte. Ako, kasama ko si Chang Susan. If you were to give 3 lessons in acting para sa mga gustong mag-artista, ano ito? At hypothetical, kung mamimili ka between politics and show business, saan ka pupunta? Ang mga kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abel. Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abuda. Kasama pa rin po natin Aiko Melendez. Itong isang tanong lang, politika o show business? Halimbawa, isa lang ang choice, hypothetical.
Today, Tito Ninong, public service.
Public service. And I respect that. Do you like to be mayor of Quezon City?
Oh, no.
Talaga?
No. No. That's a very straight answer, no.
Oo.
I don't see myself in the administrative area. I'm more on the legislative.
That's nice. Oo, pero may mga bagay talaga na nangyayari sa showbiz, sa politika, na hindi nasasakop ng plano. Pero ang naplaplano, ang Fast Talk. Let's do Fast Talk.
Ayan na!
Aiko, Mary o Aiko?
Aiko.
Real talk, trash talk.
Real talk.
Showbiz, politics.
Politics.
Best actress, best friend.
Best friend.
Forgive, forget.
Forgive.
Go big, go home.
Go big.
Sexy, maganda.
Maganda.
What makes you beautiful?
My personality.
What makes you sexy?
My waistline.
Bida o kontrabida?
Now, kontrabida.
Iyakan, sampalan.
Iyakan.
Palaaway, palaban.
Palaban.
Selosa, banidosa.
Selosa.
Clingy na ina, mas clingy na girlfriend.
Clingy na ina.
1 to 10, ilan ba talagang ex mo sa showbiz?
Konti lang, 4.
Pinakagwapo mong ex.
Ay, alam naman, si Aga mula.
Pinakapasaway mong ex. Kung hindi mo sagutin, huwag mo sasagutin, ha? Ako ang kinakabahan.
Oo nga, pinakapasaway na ex? Oh my God. Sige na nga si Jo Marie.
Pinakamayaman mong ex.
Shucks. Si Patrick Meneses.
Artista ang muntik mong maging boyfriend.
Muntik ko maging boyfriend. Sa panaginip ko si Brad Pitt.
1 word, describe yourself as a friend.
Loyal.
1 word, describe yourself as a partner.
Loyal.
1 word, describe yourself as a mother.
Protective.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
All the time.
A strong woman is
forged through challenges and through resilience.
Tama.
Oo nga! Ano ba yun?
You teach acting.
Yes.
Maraming nagmamasid sa ating pag-uusap ngayon na mga nangangarap maging artista. Kung meron kang 3 tips, mga 3 leksyon na nais ibahagi sa amin, pagdating sa pag-arte, ano ang mga ito?
Number 1 is you have to be in that moment. You have to feel the scene. And don't fake your emotions.
Kailangan
It's a big
present,
no-no. Yes.
fake emotion. Siyang Susan, pasok. Bilis. Bilis, Siyang Susan. Kailangan gawin natin. Okay. Ilang minutes na lang. Okay, kailangan totoo ang emosyon. Bigyan mo kami ng emosyon, ka-eksena ka namin, Aiko. Okay, we have to be in the moment, present. I-direct mo kami.
Ikaw ang kapitbahay na chismosa, okay? Chinichismis mo si Tito Ninong, okay? Tapos sisitahin kita, ha?
Okay.
Na tigilan mo yung pagchichismis mo.
Okay.
Okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, action! Naku, nakita ko nga nung isang araw.
Hoy, Chona! Chona! Tigilan mo ang pagmamarites kay Boy Abunda. Kung ayaw mong mawala sa mundong ito, tigilan mo na yung kakachismis mo!
Anong totoo? Anong totoo? Lumayas ka! Galing-galing. Aiko, so you have to be in the moment. You cannot fake your emotions. Pangalawa?
I think you have to feel the scene.
Yeah.
You have to feel every lines. And you have to understand kung ano yung meaning ng sinasabi mo. And not just by your head, but sa puso mo.
Mula dito. And that stuff. Pangatlo?
Pangatlo is you have to be cautious. You have to be aware of your mga kakasin. Kasi you cannot be selfish, Tito Ninong.
Oo.
Kailangan marunong ka magbigay at marunong kang tumanggap.
Oo. It was Tom Hanks who said, I drown in the eyes of my co-actor.
Yes.
Diba? Kailangan
True.
talaga may ka-eksena.
Bigayan.
Anong ginagawa mo pag meron kang ka-eksena na hindi talaga marunong magbigay?
Kinakausap ko talaga, Tito Ninong. Sasabihin ko talaga sa kanya, Dear, ano na? Binabakla ko.
Kumusta?
Oo. Ano na, puyat ka ba kagabi? Meron ako isang ka-eksena, hindi ko pwede banggitin kung sino yon. Sinabi ko sa kanya, Dear, puyat ka ba kagabi? Sinagot ako, oo, puyat ako. Kaya pala. Sabi niya, anong kaya pala? Kaya pala sabaw ka.
No one will doubt that you're a brilliant actress.
Oh, thank you.
Tanong, anong klaseng ina si Aiko Melendez? As a last question.
Mapagmahal, Tito Ninong. Gagawin ko ang lahat para sa mga anak ko. Even my own happiness, I will take a bullet for my children. They're
I have no
everything
doubt.
to me.
I
They're my
believe
world.
you from the bottom of my heart. I'm proud to be a friend and I will always be here for you. Your Tito Ninong. Maraming salamat, Aiko. Thank you very much.
Love you, Tito Ninong.
I love you
Thank
too. You have my love and my respect. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Naitay Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan araw-araw. And be kind, make your nanay proud and say thank you. Do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now and God bless.